Ever wonder how businesses figure out what a future payment is worth today? It all comes down to the discount rate. The discount rate is essentially a bridge between the value of money now and the value of money in the future. Because money can grow over time, a dollar received 10 years from now is worth less than a dollar held in your hand today. The rate reflects the risk of an investment and the opportunity cost of choosing one project over another. As the discount rate goes up, the present value of future cash flows goes down. It is a balancing act for analysts. This chart shows how a $1,000 payment in 1 year shrinks in value as the discount rate increases. Discounting helps investors determine if the price they are paying today is justified by the actual value of future earnings. Understanding these concepts helps make sense of financial reports. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning.